Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to demonstrate for you the Qwizdom virtual response solution. So this is our structured presentation solution. It's called Action Point. It's a PowerPoint plugin. So you can create your PowerPoint presentation and then add questions for polling. But what's exciting today is that we're showing how the student can use the solution. So they'll use either an Android tablet, they'll either use a smartphone or their laptop, any web-enabled device, in order to log into the session. Now, what I'm also using, we have a standard RF instructor device. We can also use the Qwizdom tool that we see here that I'm using on my desktop as a way to control the presentation. But what's really exciting is that I'm using a third-party screen share software in order to use my iPad as an instructor device. So it gives me great flexibility within the classroom. I can move around quite easily. Now we'll see that we've moved to the first question. So this is just an example of how the graphical user interface looks for the student. If we can just answer question 1, which is a demographic question, male or female. So in this instance, we're answering question 1. And then using my iPad, I can simply go to my graph option. And I can launch the graph. This now shows me not only the results but also the slide that I had used. And I can remove that as well. Once I go back to the iPad, I can scroll across and I can see the next slide. Now what we're going to do is we're going to move to the third question, which is actually a multiple choice question. This is yes, no. It's just an example to show you how that looks for the user. Again, this is true, false. Again, just another opportunity to see what this would look like for the user in terms of the graphical user interface. And then finally, we have this question, which is a multiple choice question, one of the most popular question types. So we can see here, if we don't mind selecting one of the options, and then we can bring up whether this answer is true or false or correct. So right now we see that we have 2 responses. I can also select this option to find out that both are actually incorrect. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been an example of the Qwizdom virtual response web solution working in this polling context, working with a laptop, working with a student Android device, working with a student smart device, and as the instructor and presenter, I'm using my iPad. Incredible flexibility, exceptional solution, only available at Qwizdom. Thank you.